Okay, so we've had one of the little birdies that's fallen out of its nest, and so we're gonna pick him up and put him back in.
Is he gonna fly again?
I don't know, but can you get him?
Oh my gosh, look how big.
I know.
Did you get him out and find him in the pool?
No, he flew right into the pool.
But I mean, so you didn't come out and find him in the pool?
No,
Oh,
I was
okay.
standing here and he flew out of the thing into the pool,
Oh my god.
and I rescued him.
Where's
She's
where's
over
the mother
here,
there?
but they're not coming over to help her. So if
Maybe
you,
because you're here?
no, I went inside and I waited, and they still didn't come. If we can put her back in the nest, but I'm afraid the other ones might fly out if we do that.
Is
You
he
get her
gonna fly
close.
again or try?
I don't know. He's all wet.
Look at him. Now, is it just one? Are they all in here?
Yeah, I think. He's cold though. You see him?
The other one alive?
They're all alive.
Look at him looking.
Can you?
So, to do it,
You just gotta like hold them in your hand and then put them in.
I know, but you might have to hold this open so I can.
Right.
I might
Okay.
need two hands.
Okay.
You know?
Okay.
So you have to hold this like this.
Okay.
Okay, here.
All right. You want to grab him? Nice and gently.
Look at that. Hey, baby. Come on.
He's not going crazy. Got him? Okay, good. Got him in there. All right. Get over here now. Where am I gonna hold this up? See it?
They're both out.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh, he flew.
He flew?
That's the mom.
Here's the other one here.
But the other one flew.
Oh,
too.
the other one's in the pool.
In the pool?
Yeah. Over there. Keep going.
How do we get him out?
Just grab him. Where'd the other one go?
The other one's in there somewhere.
Oh shit. Can you get him in there?
The other one was over there. Did you see him? I don't want him to get in the pool.
I don't know.
Oh, he's under the bushes here.
All right.
Damn lizard's gonna get him.
Oh.
It's okay, Mama. Okay. Oh, he's sitting outside the cage now. So they probably come and go now. Did you get a picture of him?
Yeah. Can you just set him in there?
Yeah, but he doesn't really want to. There. Okay, he's sitting
Okay.
on the
Now
branch.
let's get the other one.
Well, he's probably okay in there, but I don't know. Where's that damn lizard?
I don't know. There's 3 of them.
Yeah, I know. There's 2 in.
Okay.
This one's...
Oh, here he is, right here. He's right here.
Here now, baby. Here, come on.
You got him?
No. You're gonna get eaten.
Okay. Can you just set him in there and he'll just jump in?
At least close to the nest.
I just don't want to
Can
scare
you
him
pull-
out again.
Can you pull this over? Okay.
All right, they're good.
They're all there.
Okay. Oh shit. That freaked me out.
So let her come back.
That's the mommy right there.
I wonder if she has any idea.
him.
Just one step. He has no idea. Oh shit.
Saved. Back into the tree.
The two are still in there, but I don't want them to jump out. Honey, I need you to lift very slowly.
Well, I'm
to
just
not
saying,
scare
I
them.
think you should just let him jump
Lift
in
this.
there.
I'm not jumping in the pool. You have to lift this one. This
Which-
one.
which
this
one?
This one.
This one here?
It'll lift up both. Yeah. Carefully, so they don't get scared again. I don't want to scare them both off of here.
Wow, look at that. Now they're not
back
so
in.
freaked out. All right, I think they're used to us now. Okay, teach him to fly, little bird.